Hello, I'm Teresa Hansen, Vice President of Global Content for Clarion Energy. Welcome to this week's edition of Clarion Energy News. Here are the stories. Story number 3. The U.S. Department of Energy selected companies to receive $24.9 million to advance hydropower technologies. DOE expects the funds to drive innovation and advance the marine and hydrokinetics industry, as well as increase hydropower's ability to serve as a flexible grid resource. Projects were selected across 4 areas of interest: hydropower operational flexibility, low-head hydropower and in-stream hydrokinetic technologies, advancing wave energy device design, and Marine Energy Center's research infrastructure upgrades. In addition to public and private companies, recipients also included several universities. Story number 2. German electric utility company E.ON plans to put customers in control of energy data with blockchain technology. The company developed a blockchain technology that it says will allow its customers to have transparency and complete control over their own energy data. E.ON has registered the IT system for a patent, and the European Patent Office has now made the application public. The technology, housed within a box about the size of a €5 bill, is installed on the customer premise, where it collects data from smart devices, evaluates the data, and makes it usable. The customer can decide who can access the data and can even earn money by releasing selected analyzed data for others to use. The prototype has passed international safety test and has already been certified by the German testing laboratory SGS. At the end of the year, it will be used by the first test customers. E.ON says the first products can be developed as early as next year. Story number 1. The life of some nuclear power plants in the U.S. may be extended to 80 years. Florida Power & Light has cleared a significant regulatory hurdle in its effort to relicense the Turkey Point nuclear plant for another 20 years beyond its current license extension. After completing its environmental review of the plant, the Nuclear Regulatory Commission is moving the Turkey Point application to a final decision. If that decision allows the license extension, the twin units at Turkey Point, which were brought online in 1972 and 1973, could operate until 2052 and 2053, making each 80 years old if and when the final license period ends. Last year, Dominion Energy also filed NRC applications to add another 20-year license extension for its Surrey Units 1 and 2, which were also commissioned in 1972 and 1973. These latest extension requests could be key in decarbonizing the U.S. electric generation fleet, because carbon-free nuclear power still accounts for 19% of the nation's generation mix. Before I sign off, I want to remind you to check out a couple of upcoming Clarion Energy North American Power and Energy events. First, PowerGen International is just a couple of weeks away. It will take place in New Orleans on November 19th through the 21st. If you're in the business of generating power, you should be at this event. You can find all the details, including registration information, at powergen.com. Secondly, Distributech International is just around the corner. That annual event, which covers all things grid and customer related, will occur on January 28th through the 30th. You can find all the details about this event at distributech.com. If you act soon, you can still get the early bird registration rate. That's it for this week's edition of Clarion Energy News. I'm Teresa Hansen. Thanks for watching.